I don't know about many of you, but I know at my house, I opened up the windows for a while to kind of let some of what I thought was going to be cooler air in. Didn't realize that it was a little humid outside today.
Yeah, it felt muggy enough that it made it feel so much warmer. I didn't think I was going to get to cool off at all. But the south wind kicked up, so that was nice. That was a relief. But you're right, we had such warm weather, and for this time of year, it is remarkable to see these temperatures, especially when we had all the cloud cover around. 79 degrees for the high temperature at SeaTac, 80 for Renton and Tacoma, 82 further southwest for Chehalis and Olympia. We've got temperatures that stayed close to normal out on the coast, and we had them warm up quite a bit in the inland areas, especially Arlington at 80. Bellingham close to normal. You're 72 and it's more normal to be around 71. So that's just 1 degree of enjoyment there for Bellingham, who had a lot more clouds around too. As we look at the SchoolNet station, it's a time lapse from Cavallero Middle High School, Lake Stevens. And I'm going to ask Betsy real quick to change our teleprompter over to that. Thank you, Betsy. Now I can see you guys so much better now. As we go now to the SchoolNet station, I just wanted to show you in the loop, watch how the trees move back and forth and back and forth. They kind of change colors as the leaves slip over and not falling off yet. You know, we still got at least 18 days before fall officially begins. So this is a nice summertime breeze, and they certainly needed it today as we had such warm temperatures. POULSBO, you have cloudy skies now. Most of the rain showers are up to your north and west, but we're certainly seeing some dark clouds with some sunshine breaking through. That's only inland, because up to the north, the further northwest you go, you get into the rainfall. A little warm front brushed by earlier, and now we're getting an approaching cold front that's just sort of hanging out right on the coast. So we're getting some moderate rain. The most of it's coming down to the rain gauge for Quileute, and we're seeing some fairly good amounts. About 1/4 of an inch of rain is expected to accumulate here for Forks. But this band of rainfall is going to be slowly sagging south and moving east, and it's going to fall apart as it does. So we're not going to get much rain out of it for our inland cities. 76 degrees right now with mostly cloudy skies for Seattle. And now let's move on to the temperatures for SchoolNet station, showing us right now we've got some very warm conditions with 81 in Yelm and 77 for Lake Tapps. Darrington, you have 73 degrees, and Gold Bar still sitting at 79. So the satellite basically showing us this little front hanging out just offshore. That's bringing us a little bit of light rain showers or drizzle as we get into the overnight early morning hours, and it falls apart again. Not much rain expected. We'll get a little bit of clearing tomorrow afternoon. It's as we move into Monday and Tuesday that's high pressure to the southwest gets really big, pushes the storm track further north, and it warms us up even more for Monday and Tuesday. So the amount of rain we've got ahead for the day tomorrow is only going to come out to about 2/100ths of an inch for Everett. We might get about 2/100ths of an inch for Tacoma, about 6/100ths of an inch for Olympia. So you can see it's just a really weak front. So tonight we're expecting cloudy skies, a little late night drizzle overnight. The temperatures will be mild. We're only going to cool off into the 50s, near 60 degrees. So let's jump to forecast highs tomorrow to the north interior, mid 60s in the front by tomorrow afternoon, well to your south. So you'll just be breaking out of cloud cover through the late day. Tomorrow for the Central Sound, 77 for Seattle, 78 for Bellevue, and 77 for Olympia. The coast in the low to mid 60s. The rain showers slowly easing off on the coast, so you'll be drier in the afternoon with sun. So really it's just a morning event for the most part when it comes to any raindrops or possible drizzle. Then we get into our Monday, Tuesday, and that's going to be the really nice weather with very warm temperatures for the time of year. And then going into our Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a few showers around. It looks like we have a disturbance approaching on Wednesday that sits along the coast and Olympic Peninsula. Then it brings us showers early Thursday morning, and we dry out again. So got a nice little stretch of weather here just in time for our holiday weekend.